Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the watch, but because of that my results might be not too accurate. Now, let's continue with the measurement. To measure the heart rate on this watch, you need to open the heart rate widget or maybe heart rate glance. It's called differently on Garmin watches. And to do it, you need to press the up or down button on the home screen, the current watch face, basically the screen where you see the clock. So you can press the up or down button to scroll through the list of glances. As you can see, find the glance called heart rate, and once you hover over it, the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically. So I'm gonna place the finger on the sensor. As you can see, it detected my heart rate and is measuring it. The number will jump around because the watch is measuring the heart rate in real time. So let's say keep holding it for a couple seconds, and once the number stabilizes, it should be your current heart rate. Also, you can press the start button to enter this or open this widget, and here we have some statistics like last 4 hours. So you have the graph from last 4 hours. Also, you have the option to check the average resting heart rate through 7 days basically. So you can, through the whole week, you can check your average resting heart rate. But to get this data, you need to wear your watch for a certain period of time. Okay. And once you're done measuring the heart rate, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.